Hey everybody, Ron from CampFire Grub, and on this week's episode we're actually doing some shop cooking today while we're working on a forklift, changing out some hydraulic lines. So while that's going down, we've got the pellet smoker right there fired up. We've got a whole bunch of some chicken wings, also have ribs. Go ahead, throw all that, season it up, throw it up on the smoker. While that's going down, we're going to change out some hydraulic lines in a forklift and do some other tinkering around. Chicken wings all laid out. It's windy as shit out here actually. But other than that, it's not too bad. Hopefully the wind noise isn't getting picked up. Seasoning for today, we are actually going to use this bourbon molasses seasoning blend. Picked it up at a local meat market here in Plant City. Don't know if it's any good, don't know anything about it. Never heard of the brand, but we're going to go ahead and throw these on the chicken wings, mixed in with one of my favorites when I don't use Everglades, some Old Bay. You can really kind of see inside the seasoning blend here, just a little green flakes. I mean, looks like there's tons of different seasoning all mixed up in there. Hopefully it's good. So here's one of the latest auction finds here for the shop. It is a 1980s Alice Chambers forklift, little 4K. Had a broke hydraulic line, wrecked that right away of course. Gonna go ahead and fix this out. We just got it fixed up at O'Reilly's for the new hose, and hopefully it works out. Here you have it. Chicken wings are all covered up in the bourbon molasses seasoning, mixed in with that Old Bay seasoning for that nice spice. Almost time to throw them up on the smoker. Hopefully they're good. Just took the forklift out to go move it around, came back to the chicken, and not too bad. Just needs to do a little bit more, doing a final little smoke on it. Ribs are about done. All cooked up here in the pellet smoker. After dinner, we decided to fix my rear tire carrier, and the bearings are completely shot. So we're going to go ahead and trade those out with some trailer bearings, get it all pieced back together, and it should be good as new.